The next type of problem you have to find the equivalent inductance of the following networks. So you have different type of combinations over here. Following networks, there are different types of combination in this. So the first one, start from a simple one. Coil, another coil. Here you have this as 2 Henry, 1 Henry. This dot is here and this dot is here. So in both the case, the direction of the flux is the same. You can say both are associative, and this is 0.5 Henry. So we need to find the equivalent inductance. So we can say the equivalent inductance L equals to, let us call this as L1, this as L2. So L1 plus, since both it is associative, the direction of flux for both the coils is the same. So L1 plus mutual, L1 is the self and M is the mutual, plus L2 plus mutual between the two. So you'll get 2 plus 0.5 plus 1 plus 0.5. This is 1. So you'll get 3 plus 1, 4 Henry. 4 is the answer for this. Let us take another example. Here you have 3 inductors. In this case, let us assume that current is entering from this point. Say I is entering from this point. This value is given as 20 Henry, 5 Henry and 4 Henry. In this case, these two are cumulative and this has the opposite direction of flux is different. This is given as 2 Henry and this is 0.5 Henry. Similarly, between the first and the third, you have it as 2 Henry. So we'll find total L as, so this is L1, L2 and L3. So L1 plus M12 same direction minus M13 plus L2 plus M21, the self inductance and mutual inductance, self and with the other two, plus L3, it will be minus because the sign is, the direction of the flux is different, M31, M32. So when you substitute, you'll get L1 is 20, M12 is 2, 13 is 2 plus L2 is 5, 1 is 2. Oh, this should be minus here, M23 because the flux direction of the flux is different, minus 0.5 plus 4 minus 2 minus 0.5. 2 is with 1 and 0.5 is with 2. So finally you will get it as 28 Henry. So this is the second case. This is negative because in this case and in this case the direction of the flux is different. So for the first case it is in the same direction, so we took it as plus. In this case it is in the opposite direction, so we need to take it here as minus. So this is the second question. Next question you can try on your own. Suppose say there are 4 coils. Make it more complex. Two Henry, 4 Henry, 3 Henry and 1 Henry. Say dot is given here in this case, here in this case, here in this case, and here in this case. All are in the same direction of the flux is same. Between first and second it is given as 0.1 Henry. Second and third it is given as 2 Henry. Third and fourth it is given as 1 Henry. Then between first and third it is given as 0.2 Henry. Between first and fourth it is given as 0.1 Henry. Now we are left with second and the last one. So between these two it is given as 0.4 Henry. So we have done with this. So you can find the total L for this question.